Hi, it's time for the new topic. So what is the new topic that I want to answer today? The topic is related to this one. You know what is it? When we use a pen and we write it on a paper, it means handwriting. Yes, the topic today named handwriting, a very familiar topic in IELTS test. And I'm gonna answer 4 questions related to this topic. And through this video, hopefully you will learn the vocabulary as well as the idioms. And it can also be very useful for you to raise your score in IELTS test as well as your speaking skill. And so what are the questions today? You know that my handwriting is not so good because it's not beautiful. But when your handwriting is beautiful, it also can reveal something about your personality. That's the reason why nowadays I try to find a class which I can do a lot of handwriting exercises. Okay, because I'm a teacher, so handwriting is also very important for me because it makes my students feel comfortable when they read on the board or read the notes that I jot down. Question number 1, do you usually write by hand? Oh, not really, because I mean not anymore, because you know that I'm not the exception with the development of technologies world right now. Many people tend to use the laptops, computer, or iPhone, or smartphones, and me too, because you know that I find myself that I spend a lot of time typing on the computers, on my laptops, and texting on my smartphone, and I rarely use pen or paper. And sometimes at my class, I have to use the pen to jot down the notes on the board or on my notebook because laptops are not allowed in some cases. And I think it's really a pain. It's inconvenient, you know, really. But I think it's not good. I should do more handwriting because it's also better. Yeah. Question number 2, do you think handwriting will be replaced by computers? Well, you know that in this day and age, where modern technologies have largely marginalized the handwritings, you don't see people handwriting anymore like they did in the past. But in some cases, however, I think it's very important to do the handwriting for some kinds of writing, like when we write the wedding invitations, we should write by hand to show the respect and the appreciation for the people who receive your card. Question number 3, is it still necessary to keep handwriting? Definitely yes. Even though with the development of technologies and cutting-edge innovation, there are many kinds of devices appear in our life right now, but I think handwriting is very crucial. And we should teach our kids how to do the handwriting. And handwriting exercises also help them a lot in their cognitive development. That's the reason why, if I have kids, I will teach them how to write very beautifully. Because some of the kids that I know who have beautiful handwriting are really brilliant kids. And question number 4, what impressions does a person's handwriting have on other people? I think in Vietnam, handwriting can speak volumes about somebody's personality. For example, if your handwriting is very neat and clean and beautiful, some people may think very good about you. For example, they may think that you are a really kind, warm-hearted person, or at least you are a very neat and clean and careful person because it reveals in your handwriting. But on the other hand, if your handwritings are bad and not beautiful, or unintelligible, it means it's hard to read. So some people might think badly about you. But from my vantage point, I think it is a kind of antiquated way of thinking about another people. I guess so. Thank you for your watching. Hopefully you can learn a lot from my video. Share and like if you want to learn more, and you should follow my Facebook if you want to learn more about another topic. Thank you for your watching.